Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into forthelow.net. My name is Spencer and today I've got something really cool. Have you ever wanted to transfer VHS tapes onto DVD but you don't know how to do it, or you just think it's too complicating? Well, this solves all those problems. It's really simple. All you have to do for transferring VHS to DVD is just put the two pieces of media in there and push a button and it'll be on the DVD. This is a Panasonic DMR-E75V. It's definitely one of the best DVD VCR recorders you can get, but let's go ahead and talk about it. So on the rear panel of it, you have your power input right here for sending power to it. And then you've got your component video inputs. Those are for DVD only, optical digital audio, and then you've also got composite video output for the DVD only and S-video. And then for both DVD and VHS, you have composite output. And then right here is S-video and composite input for recording onto VHS or onto DVD. And then you've got an RF tuner input and output right here for recording cable television. And this was manufactured in Malaysia. And then to get it all connected, all you have to do is plug in your power cord and the red, white, and yellow cable to the DVD VHS common output on the back. And then plug in the other end of that cable to your TV and then set it to the correct input. Once you have it all wired up, you can go ahead and power it on, put a tape in, and set your TV to the correct input, and then playback will begin. So that's the VHS playback, and then we'll take a look at the DVD playback. And this is the original remote control for it. You've got a bunch of different options on it. You've got something really cool about this is you've got the jet rewind function. So if you push that, it will do a really fast rewind. And then it looks like this is the DVD. So you can hear it, kind of sounds like a jet, but then on the DVD side we can go ahead and start playback. And if you push display, you've got some disc options, playback options, video options, and audio options. And then if you're on the VHS side, you can push the status button and it'll show the different displays. And then if you push functions, you can pull up the menu so that you can change some of the settings. And then now that we've seen all the playback options, let's go ahead and show you the recording. So when you're recording, you need to make sure that you get DVD minus Rs for this device specifically, because this one won't use, it'll use DVD minus RAM or DVD minus R, but you'll probably want to go with minus R. Alright, so once the disc is loaded and you're ready to start recording, you push stop on the VHS and then you'll go ahead and hold the 2 DVD dubbing button at the very bottom for 3 seconds. And then it will automatically start dubbing in SP mode.
Stay tuned for a special Little Women Collectibles offer.
So now it's recording from the VHS onto the DVD. Once you're done recording, you can hit the stop button and it will end the recording, or you can wait until the disc has reached its maximum capacity, which is 2 hours, as long as you're recording in SP mode, which is standard play. You can record in other modes, which will fit more time on the disc, but it will lower the quality. So while it starts to record, I'll go ahead and show you the front panel. On the front here, you got your power button, eject button, and then right here you can pull open this door. And then you've got your VHS and DVD functions for fast forward, rewind, skip forward, and skip backward. And then you've got a recording input. You can connect any device to the front right here and record onto VHS or DVD. You've got your S-video input, composite input, and audio input. And then right here you've got stop and play for the VHS side, channel options, and record. The record button for the VHS, of course. And then right here you've got a really nice and big display. It will show both the VHS time and the DVD time separately. And it's even got a VHS to DVD indicator right here showing that it's doing it. And then you've got your DVD eject button, stop, play, and play 1.3 times speed. Channel, record, and VHS to DVD dubbing buttons. And this does feature VCR Plus, Dolby Digital, progressive scan, and it says right here you can record up to 16 hours if you use a RAM disc, a dual-sided RAM disc. And it can also play super VHS tapes if you want to play those. But now we'll just go ahead and let it record for a minute and I'll show you the finalization process. Alright, so once you've recorded what you want to record, you can push stop on the remote, or you can wait until it reaches capacity, of course. And then you'll just have to give it a moment to save the information to the disc. Alright, and then you can play back the recording at this point if you wanted to. But you definitely need to make sure that you finalize the disc, which is what we're about to do. If you don't finalize the disc, then it's not going to play in other DVD players. So to do that, you will push the functions menu, which is right here. This is the functions button. And then you'll go down to the disc settings, and then you'll push finalize. So it says it'll take about 4 minutes to do it. And make sure you're done recording when you do it, because it's not going to let you do any more recording once you do this. So just let it finish that up, and then you can play the disc in other DVD players. Alright, so that's pretty much all there is for this Panasonic VHS to DVD recorder. It's pretty awesome. It makes it really easy, and it's also a lot faster than some other ones. Some take longer to initialize and finalize discs. This one's pretty quick, and it's also going to do a really excellent quality job making sure that your recordings are saved exactly how you recorded them. But if you're looking to order one of these, you can get it on our online store at fortheload.net, or you can give us a call to order one.